Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build a free e-commerce website using Porto WordPress theme. So just you need to get this theme and you can easily build your website. So first of all you need to get domain and hosting. For that you can go on Bluehost, and then here you need to get web hosting. Scroll down, here you can check the packages. So you can go with Choice Plus package, and now you need to select a domain name. For example, so whatever name you want, that you can easily add here. And then here you can see domain extensions. Then after that, search for domain, and you can get hosting for 1 year, 2 year, as well as 3 years. Then if you don't need this one, just you can easily delete here. Then continue to checkout. After getting domain and hosting, simply you need to go and log in into your web hosting account. Currently I have HostGator web hosting cPanel, this one. Now scroll down and find out app installer, this one. Scroll down and here you can see these are different platforms that you can easily install within a single click. So now we want to install WordPress. Scroll down and here select a domain where you want to install WordPress. Let me select this one, then HTTP, then add here login details, then add email, and here you can see these are the plugins that are checked by default. So if you select, then these plugins will be installed. And here you can select your website language, then again add here email, then click on install button. So WordPress installation is in progress. So guys, now here you can see WordPress is installed. Just you can view and visit website on the front side. Now if you want to log in, then you can add /wp-admin, then press enter. You can also log in from here, then add username and password. After that, click on exit to WordPress. And now here we need to install theme. You can get this theme from here. Simply you can type Porto theme, then you can go on ThemeForest and you can get this theme. This theme is compatible with Elementor page builder as well as WP Bakery page builder. So now to install theme, first of all let me deactivate some plugins. And now let me go back So after downloading theme file, you will get a zip file. Then click on add theme, then upload theme file. You will get zip file, then you need to extract that file. Then after extraction, you will get some files inside that file. Here you can see plugin files and theme files. So this is actual theme file in zip format that you need to upload. Then click on install button. And sometimes if you get error in theme installation from here, then you can install a plugin that's called file manager. Install this plugin, activate, then you can go in plugin in file manager. You need to go in WP content tab, double click, then go to themes. After that you can simply upload theme file here. And here you can see uploading started, and it can take few minutes. After theme file installation, you need to activate the theme. And now we need to install required plugins. Click on begin installing plugin. And these are the plugins that are recommended and required. So to install this plugin, let me go and add plugin, then upload plugin file. So you will get plugin here in theme files, then click on install button. After that, activate the plugin. Now let me install and activate remaining plugins. After installing all of the required plugins, now we need to go Porto pre-built websites. You can also go in dashboard, then scroll down, and here you can upload your logo file. Then you can uninstall all of the installed demo contents. But if you want to install a new demo, then here you can see these are the pre-built websites that are professionally designed. So if you want to build online store, then you can go in shop tab. But if you want to select the e-commerce website that is built with Elementor page builder, then you can go here. So now let me go and select this one, click here, and here you can select the page builder. I will recommend you select this one, then scroll down and click on alternative mode. It will take few minutes to install. this pre-built website. After adding demo content in website, if you want to change this logo, then you need to go Porto theme options, and then here you can find out logo option. Simply you can upload logo file here. You can upload logo for Retina devices, as well as if you want to enable sticky header, then you need to add logo here. After that you can select logo width as well as logo height, and you can also customize logo width on different devices. And here you can see these are the other customization options. If you want to enable overlay, then you can enable this option, then scroll down, and now if you want to edit website header, then you can simply go here, click on edit header, then scroll down, and here you can see pencil icon. You can change the text that's available here. Then to change this background color, you can go back, and here you can see this one is a background color that is for the section. This one. And after that, if you want to change this menu, you need to go in website menu page, this one. If you want to remove anything, then you can simply open this tab, and then you can easily remove it. If you want to add anything in menu, then you can simply select here and then click on add to menu. After that, you can add a new label, then label color, text color, as well as background color, this one. Then scroll down. You can also edit this one. This is for the mobile header. You can add logo, as well as you can remove search form if not required on mobile devices. And here you can see these are some other settings. After that, click on update. In this way you can easily edit website footer. Just click here, then scroll down. As website is built with WP Bakery page builder, then you can simply click on pencil icon, and you can easily edit text and images. After that, if you want to edit any of the text on this page, then you can enable WP Bakery page builder. And one of the most important thing about this page builder is it can work on the back end as well as front side. And simply you need to use pencil icon to edit anything on this page. For example, if you want to edit this heading, then click on pencil icon and you can change it. After that, scroll down. You can also edit this button You can change the text, for example shop now, and you can link this button to the any page. Here you can see this one. After that, click on save changes, and here you can see this is row setting, then column setting, then carousel setting. So this is all the settings. Then again scroll down for the next sections. Again here you can see Porto info box. Then scroll up. Here you can see this one. Then for the title, and here is the icon that you can easily change from the icon library. Then click on save changes, and again scroll down for the next section. You can click on Porto ultimate content box. Then scroll down, and here you can see background image. You can add background image from here. If you want to remove it, then you can simply click here on the cross icon, then click on save change. Then again scroll down. If you want to edit these products, then you need to go in website dashboard in products tab. Then you can delete, export and import any of the product from here. You can simply edit and change anything if you want. So product title, description, as well as product images and categories. To add payment gateway in your website, you need to go here in settings, and here you can add payment details, store details. Then you can enable payments from here. You can install plugins. For example, if you want to enable PayPal, then you can install the plugin. Then after that, you can easily connect your website with your PayPal account. After that, if you want to enable COD, then you can go here and enable cash on delivery and local bank transfer. In this way, you can easily build a website using Porto WordPress.